Hello and welcome to the HelpWire tutorial series. In this video, we will review how you can connect to the same client multiple times. As you may already know, there are two methods to connect to remote workstations via HelpWire, either by using HelpWire Quick Connect or by registering an account with our service and gaining all the benefits of the HelpWire Web Portal, including saving clients for easier recurring connections. With Quick Connect, you are generating a one-time link for a quick remote control session. When the session is over, the link expires. To re-establish the connection with the same client, you will need to send them another download link for a new instance of the HelpWire client app. This method is designed for occasional one-time remote control sessions and is not well suited for recurring connections to the same clients. Alternatively, you can register a free account with HelpWire and get access to the web portal, which allows you to save clients for easy recurring connections and provides many other benefits. You can register an account either from the Quick Connect app if you've already downloaded it, or directly from our official website. After registering an account, creating your company, and following the onboarding steps, you will be taken to the HelpWire Web Portal. Click the Add New Client button to create your first client. You will immediately receive a prompt with the link for the HelpWire client app, which you need to share with your client via your preferred communication channel for a remote connection. The same link will be displayed above the client profile whenever you select that particular client in the clients list of your company. The unique client app downloaded via this URL is permanently linked to that client, so they need to download it only once per workstation. You, as an operator, will then be able to connect to their workstation at any time, provided the client has the app running on their computer and approves your remote connection request, or if you've set up unattended access. You can save as many clients as you need in your HelpWire Web Portal client directory. Make sure to check out other videos in the HelpWire How-To playlist to dive deeper into product functionality. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful information.